In today's video, we are gonna cover up in detail about the newly launched Telegram-based clicker game that is going very popular these days. It's called Hamster Kombat. It was launched in March 2024 and you will be stunned guys, in just a few months it has got up to 200 million users. That is a huge success. It's really very difficult for any platform to have such success in a very short time, and you will be wondering why millions of people are joining it. The reason is simple: money, money, money. So if you are engaged in crypto trading, then you will be familiar with Notcoin, that was actually based on the same concept on which Hamster Kombat is based on. There we used to tap on the coin to earn a lot of coins in return, and later on its token got listed on Binance, which is one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there. But if you are a pure beginner and don't know anything about Hamster Kombat, then stay tuned. I will guide you each and everything, like how to play it, where can its token be listed, and how to withdraw. But before we dive in, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. And guys, this is Asim Arif, and without any further ado, let's get started. As I said before, it's a Telegram based game, so you must have a Telegram app installed in your phone, and after that you have to tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and search Hamster Kombat. There will be a lot of fake profiles, so you have to consider two things. There should be a verified badge and bot should be written under the profile. So this is a real one. Let's open it, and after that tap on the start button highlighted in blue and then tap on play. Now tap on start again, and this will redirect us to the Hamster Kombat account that will be created automatically with our existing Telegram account. Alright, now just follow the on-screen instructions. Tap on this forward icon thrice, 1, 2 and 3, and then tap on play. And finally our game is started. Okay, now the first step is to make the little cute hamster naked by shaving it, and this will give us 100 coins for that. This is just the beginning. We can earn millions of coins that can be converted into real tokens later in future, so stay tuned. Now you can see hamster is looking angry. Anyways, let me clear the concept of this game first. Here the hamster is referring the person who is owning a crypto exchange, which is actually you. Means the person who is playing this game is actually the CEO of a crypto exchange. As you can see in my case, my name is written there and in parentheses it's written CEO. So now as a CEO of a crypto exchange, I will have to do something which will make my exchange stand out among others. Like I will add a lot of crypto pairs here. I will give people bonuses who will join my exchange and will invite others to join as well. So in short, I will do anything to make it one of the best exchanges that will make me earn a lot of money initially in form of coins. Alright, and you don't have to invest anything here. It's completely free. We just have to earn coins by completing different short tasks which in future can be converted into real tokens that we can withdraw. I will give you details of withdrawal as well later in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, now very easy way to earn coins is by just tapping the hamster, but this is a slow process to earn coins. You can earn a lot more coins by completing little short tasks. So let's move forward to the earn section. Here you can see there are a lot of different tasks listed here for which I can earn a lot of coins in less time. Like if we join their Telegram channel, we can earn 5,000 coins. So let's join it. And after joining, we have to go back to our game, and then we have to tap on this check button, and then 5,000 coins will be added to our account successfully. And in any of the tasks listed here, after completing it, we have to tap on the check, otherwise the coins will not add to the account. Okay, and as we will earn more and more coins, hamster will grow up likewise, as you can see here. Okay, now let me show you some more tasks here. Here we also have some daily rewards. Now here this is my day 1, so I am able to claim 500 coins. But if you play this game regularly and claim these rewards straight for 10 days, then you will have more than 5 million coins in your account. As you can see, on 10th day I can claim 5 million coins. Alright, now we also have some YouTube videos that can make us earn 100,000 coins per video. We just have to watch them completely, so let's watch it now. And finally guys, I have watched the video completely, and now I will go back to the game. But here for video task we have to wait for an hour. Then we will tap on this check button to claim our coins. So you can see how fast you can grow the account. Now I will fast forward the video and will complete some more short tasks here just to grow the account a bit. And then I will talk about some more important things here for which you are watching this video. So I'm gonna follow them on Twitter to earn some more coins. Then you can choose any of your favorite exchange here. This will give you some more coins. And then lastly, in earn section, if we invite 3 friends here, then it's gonna give us 25,000 coins for that. But don't forget to tap on this check button after inviting your friends. Okay, so now let's move towards the mine section. In this section, you will spend some more coins here to upgrade your exchange. Like currently you can see I'm having 0 profit per hour. And you will notice I am having currently 10,741 coins. They are not increasing automatically, but when I will buy something here in mine section, this will increase my profit per hour, means my coins will start increasing automatically without doing anything. So your main focus should be on profit per hour. It's very important. Like if I spend 10,000 coins in fans token, this will increase my profit per hour to 950. So let's go ahead. Now if I show you my profit per hour, then you will see that it has increased to 950, and now the coins will go on increasing automatically. Here you can check it's go on increasing 782, 783. I'm not doing anything, but it's go on increasing automatically. So the more profit per hour, the more coins you're gonna get. Comment down below how much profit per hour you have in your account. I would like to know. Okay, now we also have some daily cipher and daily combo here. These things actually help you to earn a lot of coins quickly. If you want a separate video on that, comment down below. I will make it for you. Alright, now let's talk about its listing and withdrawal process. According to its roadmap, the token is expected to launch in the month of July 2024, and it's going to be launched on Ton. So to withdraw, you must have your Ton wallet attached in Hamster Kombat. For that, tab on airdrop and then tab on connect your Ton wallet. And then tab on connect your Ton wallet again. After that, tab on tonkeeper. You can easily download this application from Play Store and App Store. Firstly, we will create an account here. That is really quick and simple. Now tab on create new wallet. Then you need to set a 4-digit passcode here. After that, simply tab on enable notifications. And that's it. Our Ton wallet is created successfully. Now we need to go back to Hamster Kombat. We will go back once by tabbing here. And then we will tab on tonkeeper again. And then after that, simply tab on connect wallet. Enter the 4-digit passcode. And that's it. Now you can see, if we go back to Hamster Kombat, it's connected successfully. Actually, you can see, if I show you here, you can see the tick mark here. It means it is connected successfully. I know there are some more things to discuss, but the video is getting long, so I am ending it here. If you show some love in this video, then I will try to make a separate video on those things. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Till that, goodbye.